Hi guys, last day in Berlin. I'm heading back to Bali today. My flight is at 4:50 p.m. I did my web check-in and I have 2 hours before I go to the airport. I cannot go far from the hotel because I'm just afraid I really get lost. So I went to the nearest mall. I ordered Uber. It's quite easy. It's only like €5. Actually, there is one. It's only like one train to come here, but I'm just afraid that that I really get lost in the metro again. Here is a bit difficult for me because everything is like in German, and they are not putting English below the German. So this is the area, Schlossstraßen. Check it out. My coffee at Starbucks and it is 5 degrees outside. My hand is freezing and I forgot my gloves, like always. For me, this is like walking inside a freezer to be here now. I love the city though, it's quite nice. I think with the leaves in the spring later on, the street and the city will be nicer. All green at the moment is all brown. Okay, so I'm heading back to the hotel. Now I'm not going to use Uber, but I'm going to walk because it's only like 13 minutes away. So, see you. Guys, managed to get into the hotel, pack up my things, call the Uber. Now it's time for me to go to the airport. And after that, bye bye Europe. And see you Bali.